Imagine exploring the world while minimizing your environmental footprint. And what if we told you sustainable travel can also save you money on your next adventure? Welcome to the exciting world of sustainable travel. It's about exploring new cultures and destinations with a deep respect for our planet and its people. By making conscious choices, you can ensure a positive impact on the environment and local communities, while creating lasting memories that go beyond the typical tourist experience. Traditional travel can have unintended consequences. Large-scale tourism can strain natural resources, with overflowing landfills and polluted waterways becoming a growing concern. Transportation options like airplanes and cruise ships contribute significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, a major factor in climate change. However, a shift towards sustainable practices can create a more balanced travel experience. Imagine exploring hidden gems off the beaten path, or immersing yourself in the local culture by participating in traditional activities. Sustainable travel allows you to become a responsible explorer, leaving a positive footprint wherever you go. Here are a few key strategies to embrace sustainable travel and become a responsible explorer. Public transportation. Opt for eco-friendly options like buses, trains, or subways. They're often cheaper and more efficient than taxis or rental cars, reducing your carbon footprint. Imagine soaking up the local atmosphere on a bustling train ride, or hopping off at hidden gems along the way. Eco-conscious accommodation. Research hotels or resorts with a commitment to sustainability. Look for certifications or programs focused on water conservation, energy efficiency, and local sourcing. These eco-friendly accommodations often go the extra mile to provide unique experiences, like on-site organic gardens or cultural workshops. Pack light. By bringing only essentials, you reduce luggage weight, particularly beneficial for air travel. This translates to lower fuel consumption and ultimately, cost savings for airlines and yourself. Think versatile clothing items you can mix and match, and ditch the single-use toiletries by bringing refillable containers. Embrace slow travel. Instead of rushing from one destination to another, consider slowing down and immersing yourself in a particular location. This allows you to truly appreciate the local culture, support small businesses, and discover hidden gems. Imagine renting an apartment and living like a local for a week or two, exploring local markets, and participating in community events. Experience-based activities. Seek out activities that connect you with the destination's culture and environment. This could be anything from a walking tour led by a local guide to a cooking class where you learn traditional recipes. These immersive experiences create lasting memories and support the local economy. Sustainable travel offers a double benefit. You become a responsible explorer, minimizing your environmental impact, while potentially saving money on transportation, accommodation, and even activities. Supporting local businesses and experiences often leads to more affordable and authentic encounters. Imagine savoring a delicious, home-cooked meal at a family-run restaurant or learning traditional crafts from a local artisan. These connections create a deeper understanding of the place you visit and the cultural heritage you're helping to preserve. Beyond cost savings, sustainable travel goes beyond just saving money. It's about fostering a deeper connection with the places you visit. Imagine yourself contributing to a community-based wildlife conservation project or participating in a beach cleanup initiative. These experiences allow you to give back to the environment and local communities, fostering a sense of purpose and creating a more meaningful travel narrative. Enriching your travels. Sustainable travel isn't about sacrifice, it's about enrichment. Explore new horizons with a newfound appreciation for the delicate balance of our planet. Connect with local cultures in a meaningful way, forming lasting bonds and fostering cross-cultural understanding. Leave a positive footprint by making conscious choices that benefit the environment and the communities you visit. Sustainable travel allows you to experience the world with a renewed sense of wonder, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Ready to embark on your sustainable travel adventure? Share your eco-friendly travel tips in the comments below and subscribe for more budget-friendly travel hacks.